Alright, someone asked me if I could showcase this cutting board in our channel. Thank you to that person or company. It's a small cutting board, a high density cutting board, and actually measures about 9 3/4 by 5 7/8, close to 6 inches, and about 1/4 inch thick. A cutting board. Actually, this if you are doing some craft, probably you can use it, but this definitely is for kitchen. It's a kitchen product. But as you can see, we're doing some cutting. Actually good. I don't see any marks. Let me scratch it more. No marks. High density cutting board, and this is kind of rubber, so it won't slip. Oh yeah, it doesn't slip on slippery surface. This one is very slippery. Yeah, like I say, if interested, link in the bio. Look, there's a groove around here for the kitchen. Thank you.